Thank you so much for joining me. So today I will going to talk about social and agricultural features of Indus Valley civilization. As we all know that Indus Valley civilization people were very civilized and well planned. So let's talk about the prominent features of Indus Valley civilization. The social and economic life of the people of Harappan civilization was systematic and organized. They used standard weights and measurements throughout the civilization. The significant features of the Indus Valley civilization are personal cleanliness, construction of burnt brick houses, town planning, ceramics, casting, forging of metals, manufacturing cotton and woolen textiles. Let's talk about some of the interesting facts. The society of Indus Valley civilization was divided into different groups like landlords, servants, farmers, merchants, artisans, and nomads. Artisans are the people who were involved in making things by hand. Landlords and influential persons reside in upper parts in large and spacious houses. Separate quarters had been reserved for servants. Majority of people had been poor. They lived in lower area in small houses. Farmers lived in villages while nomads wandered with herds of cattle. Herds of cattle means a group of animals. Artisans and merchants live in cities. So that is very interesting that the landlords were there and the influential persons were there, but there is no sign of temples and tombs were found during the excavation. So here are the responsibilities given to the people of Indus Valley civilization. Jobs had been allocated among men and women. Women grind wheat, weave clothes and look after cattle. Cultivation and commerce were specified for men. Sweepers were bound to keep the streets neat and clean. So here are some of the other findings. Spindles also been found in homes, which indicate that weaving clothes was also a profession of those people. Statues of clay and printed cloth give impression of textile industry. Women used to wear necklace and bangles for decoration. They used to wear lehenga and men used to wear shawl. So students, these are the pictures of spindles. And this is the jewelry which were found by the archaeologists during excavation. So let's move forward. So students, here is the most interesting and important fact of Indus Valley civilization. The script of Indus Valley civilization. The people of Indus Valley civilization could read and write. Their mode of writing was very interesting and complicated at the same time. A supreme system of writing was conducted in that period, which had 400 symbols. Merchants, soldiers and political personalities used it. The Indus script is the writing system developed by the Indus Valley civilization, and it is the earliest form of writing. The origin of this script is poorly understood. This writing system remained undeciphered. There is no agreement on the language it represents. No fluent text have been found. This is the main reason why the Indus Valley civilization is one of the least known important early civilizations. Example of Indus writing has been found on seals, seal impressions, pottery, bronze tools, stoneware, bangles, bones, shells, ladles, ivory and on small tablets made by the bronze and copper. So let's talk about the agricultural feature of Indus Valley civilization. The soil of Indus Valley civilization was very fertile. Most of the Indus Valley civilization consisted of farmers who made the soil fit for cultivation. People retained the water to make banks on rivers for cultivation. The types of crops that Indus Valley had was wheat, barley, peas, lentils, linseeds and mustard. Experts say that they might have grown cotton in the summer. The silt that the river brought in when it flooded was the reason why they grow this many crop. Sometimes the crops were damaged due to seasonal rains. So students, here we have completed our topic. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much.